Welcome back. Now we are going to talk about the factory, what is the factory and what pages it's included. On the factory section, we will be able to select and provide a backlink or ask for any kind of text that we need in order to place in our website and provide the backlink. Okay, so let's move forward. First of all, we have the new page, which basically you will find all the sites that are related to your category and the language. Here we see the MC score of each site, how much traffic he has, and the main language of the website. By clicking here, whatever. Okay, let's see this one. We will see the target URL description, what's all about the target description, all the details about the link profile strength, and the owner's code, if it's something we like or don't like. From here, we can select this page. In order to provide a link, we can move forward and see, okay, what else we have. For example, this one, okay? Let's see what's about. It's not completed yet, so it's not worth giving anything. Let's see this one. Okay, this one isn't completed yet, but again, it's just a matter of time that people will start filling out all the information and will be more professional. Now that we know how it works, in the right hand here, we will be able not only to see the websites that are related to our category, which is here, okay, this is the general category, so we will see only general category. But here we will be able to see any category that is related on any niche. Okay, let's see, for example, sports. Is there anything? Yeah, we have 3 websites that are related to sports. So maybe we can just check them as well. Check if is there anything interesting. Okay. That's pretty much all. This page is designed to find potential websites where we can provide a link based on some filters that we can do. Okay, that's all for this page. Let's move to the selected page.